Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you guys are new here for the first time, then hello, welcome. In today's video, I am filming my very first Christmas video for 2020. I know it sounds absolutely insane to some of you guys to already start filming Christmas content in October, but hear me out. The reason why I'm starting all of my shop with me's and haul videos is because I want to let you guys know all of the new Christmas decor that is coming out to all of the retailers. They are putting all of their Christmas decor out right now. So that is why I am trying to get a head start on all of the shop with me's and haul videos, so that if you guys see something in these videos, you can go ahead and go out to your local stores and pick something up. So if you guys do see something you like in any of my shop with me's or haul videos, you can go ahead and get them before the items sell out. So that is the reason why I am starting all of my Christmas content right now. And the other reason why is because I'm just absolutely in love with Christmas time. I absolutely love everything and anything Christmas. It is the most wonderful time of year. If you guys are excited about my Christmas content, please make sure to be subscribed to my channel down below and give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you are not following me over on Instagram, please make sure to do so. It is just Molly Nicole XO, and it is always linked in the description box down below. I will be doing monthly giveaways for the rest of the year, so you don't want to miss out on that. In today's video, I will be doing a shop with me and haul portion at the end of the video. So I will be sharing with you what Biglots had to offer for Christmas. They had so much stuff, you guys. I didn't even record everything because there was so much. I recorded the things that I really liked and I thought you guys would like as well. So if you do have a Biglots around you guys, definitely make sure to go check them out. I did also want to mention that if you do go shopping with someone and they pay first, my Biglots actually gave a $10 coupon, and then I was actually able to use that for my transaction. So if you do go with someone and they don't get very much, make sure that they go before you and then wait so that you can get that extra $10 off. So I saved a total of $20 on my purchase, and I am so happy with everything that I got. I cannot wait to start decorating. But without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and stop rambling. Let's go ahead and get on to this shop with me and haul. right, so now that we have the shop with me portion of the video done, we are going to hop on into the haul portion. I'm going to share with you what I picked up. So I did go ahead and get the $10 off 50, and I believe my total was $56 in total for all of this stuff. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I also used a $10 off coupon towards my purchase as well. So the first two things that I got are these really pretty tabletop decor pieces. They are Christmas trees. So this is what the first one looks like. It is in a really pretty gray color. These were each $12, and I did also get a white one as well. So I do plan on putting these on my floating shelves in my kitchen. I think I'm gonna put these on the top ones just to give it some height. I really liked the way that these two look together, and this one was actually the last one. They had quite a few of the white ones. I think there was 3 or 4 of them left. And again, each of these were $12. The next two things I got are these candle holders. I was actually a little bit iffy on getting these. I actually didn't have them in my cart. And then when we had the extra $10 off coupon, I decided to go ahead and get them. So one of them was $8 and the bigger one was $10. So this is what they look like. They are white candle holders. I am going to use these on my floating shelves in my living room. I don't think I have even shown you guys what those floating shelves look like, but that should be coming up in an upcoming video so you guys can see. Or if you would like to see a first look, make sure to go follow me over on Instagram. I will be posting a picture of those shelves here shortly. These are really lightweight, but I like the finish of these. They do look like they are painted with chalk paint, and they are distressed a little bit. So I think these are going to look great again to add some height. I think with floating shelves and just decorating in general, you need to add some items to add height. Whether you're decorating a tiered tray or just a floating shelf or any area in your house, I think adding different heights really helps out. The next two items that I got are from the brand Broyhill. So they actually have a whole entire line. You guys probably saw in the shop with me, they had a whole entire wall with just decorations from that brand. So these were each $10. I originally thought that these were ornament holders, but they are not ornament holders. But this is what they look like. They have a really pretty wood base, and then they have a marble front, as you can see there. For $10, these are pretty heavy duty. One thing I will say that I am pretty disappointed about, this one right here, the marble slab on the front actually fell off when we got home. Like, I went to go take it out of the bag and it had fallen off. So I just re-glued it back on there, and it seems to be staying pretty well, but that was my only complaint. I'm hoping that it will stay on a little bit better now. Again, for $10, I think these are a really good deal. And again, they are super heavy duty. My receipt is right here, and my total for everything was $56. I do have one more thing to share with you guys, and it is a doormat. So I actually do not own a Christmas doormat. I know, surprise, surprise. I don't know if I'm gonna do much for my front porch for Christmas time, but we shall see. If you would like me to include that in a decorate with me this year, let me know. So this doormat was $10. Again, really affordable price in my opinion. So this is what it looks like. It says, "It's the most wonderful time of year." I'm like totally blocking my face trying to show you guys this, but I love it. It totally goes with my theme this year. I think this will also look really good with the black and white buffalo check rug that I have down there right now. I leave up my buffalo check rug pretty much year round, so I always like to get the top rug to match with it. And this one I just couldn't pass up. It is absolutely adorable, and for only 10 bucks. It really wasn't a bad deal. So that is going to be it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed to my channel down below. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, stay marvelous.